Sam Bankman-Fried's lawyers propose installing monitoring software on his phone at a hearing in New York on Thursday. Judge Lewis Kaplan indicated that he was concerned about Bankman-Fried's ability to hide or delete his communications. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. The New York judge overseeing Sam Bankman-Fried's criminal case has ordered the former FTX CEO's lawyers to submit a new proposal to modify his bail conditions that would include more detail on the lawyer's suggestion that Bankman-Fried install an application on his phone to automatically record and archive his communications. The proposal, if ultimately accepted by U.S. District Court Judge Lewis Kaplan, would end the nearly two-week-long spat between federal prosecutors and Bankman-Fried's lawyers over his bail conditions. Issues with Bankman-Fried's bail conditions became public on January 27, when prosecutors submitted a letter to the court urging Kaplan to amend Bankman-Fried's bail conditions to prohibit him from attempting to contact any former or current employees of Alameda Research or FTX, as well as using Signal or other ephemeral messaging applications. In their letter, prosecutors alleged that Bankman-Fried had already attempted to reach out to at least one potential witness in the case, identified as Ryan Miller, the current general counsel for FTX US, to allegedly attempt to influence his future witness testimony. Prosecutors also said that discovery in the case had been impeded by. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.